As Fort Wayne's only realtor who used to be a home inspector, I like to educate my buyers on issues I see before they make an offer. I'm going to show you a picture and then a couple seconds later, tell you what I see. This furnace has so many issues, it's comical. Let's start with the fact that it's sitting on two metal tubs. This is not stable. The tubs were not designed to hold this much weight. It is unimaginable that someone would install an expensive new furnace on metal tubs. I suspect that this furnace was not brand new when it was installed. Someone got a bargain on a used one. You are most likely looking at a DIY project. You can also see the rust over the furnace by the exhaust discharge line. There's another loose electrical wire along the side of the furnace. This furnace should be evaluated by an HVAC contractor before purchasing.